Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the home screen mode in this device. So now the drawer mode is enabled. Just swipe up. Now you can see all the applications you can see here. So let me show you how to change the home screen mode in this device. For this, tap and hold on the blank area of the home screen. Then tap on the option more. Then here you can see the option home screen mode. Tap on this one. You can see two type of modes. You can see here standard mode and drawer mode. So here I am going to select the option standard mode. Then tap on the option apply. Switch. Now let me show you. If you swipe up, there is no applications. You can see. If you want to view all the applications, swipe right or left. After select the standard mode. If you want to switch to drawer mode, tap and hold on the home screen. Tap on more. Tap on home screen mode. Select the option drawer mode. Tap on apply. Now swipe up, you can see all the applications. So simply in this way you can change the home screen mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.